Here's Dan Shapiro to help you find your edge, master your process, and own your future.
So MU was my last trade of the day. I think I skipped a couple pivots. We'll get to that in a second. So I'm going to give you guys, okay, I'm going to give you guys the natural pivot on MU. So I shorted MU today at 410. It traded down to the 407 level. It held, right? It held, and it snapped back. That's fine. I took a partial profit, break even on the balance. Guys, watch 407. I'm literally giving you the pivot, right? Watch 407. The reason why 407 on MU for the next couple of days, you see how many times it held the 10-day moving average, right? 407 is going to be a massive line in the sand. Don't be naive to think your favorite stock can go lower. Look, just all you got to do is look at the SLV unwind, the GLD unwind, right? This thing has literally held the 10-day moving average on a number of occasions, but now it held it 3 days in a row. Watch the 407 level. God bless. Godspeed, right? So keep an eye on that for tomorrow. But again, give me some cash flow. Here was a monster move, right? We discussed, here's a massive move. We talked about it yesterday.